Alright guys, sorry to have to rush through this, but just going to go through the PSM upgrade, programmable module for like idle upgrades, as well as different consumers on the Sprinter van. So first step, PSM module gets installed underneath the driver's seat. It's got the two harnesses that plug into it. And then you're going to have to plug in on the right side kick panel. There's the CAN bus. You're going to find a loose CAN wire over there. You want to plug that in. It's going to be a brown and red wire, the body CAN. So that is for the PSM module. Once you plug that in, then it'll allow you to, once you code all these modules in the Sprinter to look for the PSM, then it'll actually find it. So we did an idle upgrade on this particular Sprinter. Oh, I'm actually in the control now. So I'll show you coding. Mercedes says that you should only have to SE encode the key. That's not true. Found that out the hard way. It's the EIS right here. Unit adaptions, SE encoding, coding display. All coding settings.
Does anyone have a 20 on Derek?
Okay. So you see all these different options available. There's a key module, the EZS, or EIS is what they used to be called, is the gateway between the body CAN and the engine CAN. It's going to store all the data as far as what should be on the CAN network, as far as equipment. And I'm going through all this stuff. Okay, so first thing you're going to want is make sure that your working speed control, constant RPM control is yes. Retarder is yes on that one. And then you have the PSM module right here that has to say yes. We have a developer mode SDS, so it allows us to go in through this section and there it is. So we can actually code it through this. So a lot of times the dealer, you want to do an SE encoding flash, try to get that auto logic and try to get the SE encoding through that tool, and it was no success. So there's your EZS control unit. First one. Second one, instrument cluster. Coding adaptations. SE encoding, coding display. Why you gotta do the EIS first, the key module, because that's what's actually gonna tell everybody on the CAN that. Oh, there we go. Great. Anyway, let's see if I can get it to go the second time. It's going to tell everybody on the CAN to be looking for the PSM module. Okay, let me go to the other side. Here it goes first, a little more. So we have parents not liking this today. All code settings. PSM present. So obviously that's one more right there. I think there's only one coating option inside the instrument cluster. And last but not least, CDI. All the control units that are part of the system. So if you look at this coding according to plant data, that's a developer mode version. On the factory tool, you won't have that. A lot of times the only guys that have access to the factory stuff to do this is the upfitters who apply for that. Alright, we're going down, going down, going down. PSM, again, special module, yes. There was one more. Let's see here. It wasn't all just the PSM, it was... Okay, that's the other one. The speed increase, onboard electrical system management. That was no. I selected to yes. If you want something else to be able to control it, which is the PSM module. So those are your different coding options that you have to make sure that you have for the PSM to operate correctly. At the dealer, it was easier. You just pushed a button and you got a file from Germany and they loaded in the thing. But for us guys on the independent side, it's a little bit difficult. This is how I was able to do it. So those guys who are upfitting these things or putting the PSM modules in your sprinters, that's what you need to do. Alright, hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, just leave them in the inbox and I'll get to them when I can. Thanks guys.